Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I can't ask for you guys this morning because I'm sitting in the car. You guys, it's sunny, it's sunny and we're making use of today by going hiking. So we're en route to hiking right now in another new location, which we live for hiking, so we definitely looking forward to this one and we'll be enjoying it. I'm having breakfast while I'm sitting at the gas station waiting for babe to fill the tank up because our car is on E. I just rushed into the fruits and vegetable store to pick up some kale because I love making kale, my smoothies with kale. So I haven't had kale in a long time and this is one of the only place I can find kale, so I went in and got that. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Hopefully you guys have a good day. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and keep up with Vim. Good morning, husband.
Good morning.
You hear me loud and he just come and calm things down. Good morning. Good morning. With his tenderness. Anyway, you guys, we're heading off to Cannes. That's where we'll be going. An area in Cannes. So I know you guys will be enjoying all the views and all the things that we'll be discovering. So have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys throughout our route. Sarah, say morning, Faves. Our mouth full of yogurt. Hi. We have konnichiwa. Say good morning properly. You just Tyler, please. Oh my. Oh my. Hey, so what going on? I don't have all morning. Oh, it's so like a broken record. Tyler, please. Okay, la dernière fois, s'il te plaît. Hey. Oh. Sarah, say morning, Faves. Say morning, Faves. Good girl. Your brother is a piece of work like his father. Watch him. Can you tell he's his father's child? Alright, you guys, we've arrived. Let the walking begin. Sarah, ready?
Ready?
Ready. So let's go.
Let's go.
And Tyler, of course, is ready and out in front, and you can't catch him back. Papa, ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's go.
So we're going to all of this at first. There's this order we do. This.
Okay, so we're going those three places. Alright, let's go. We're ready for the road. With my baby strap on me. Sarah, say hello.
Hello.
Ready, ready?
Ready.
You better need to be behind enough to catch the view.
You guys, look what we saw. It's like a little river running down. Yeah. So cute. The boys are in front. I'm gonna catch them off. Sarah and I are living on the edge of the river. On the edge of the river. Sarah ripped out a part of her hat just now in the car. Isn't that beautiful? Just peacefully running down. I'm sure when it rains, here is full. On our way, we came upon this art piece with some cross. Whew. So that's the view right now. Looking good. Looking good. You taking a race? So let's go explore these little pieces. Tyler, look at this art. That's a nice photo of you right there, Ty. Hmm? Yeah. Hmm? Yes, we will. But wait a bit. Yes, please. So this group was walking in front of us and they just offered to take a photo of us, which I'll insert for you guys, and I'm definitely sure that it's going to be the thumbnail so you guys will see it. It's such a beautiful picture. Okay, we're going inside. Wait, you have to speak in English.
Room number 1.
Okay, I wonder what this used to be.
The room of the letters.
The room of the letters. Wow. That's pretty. In here echoes. I wonder what this used to be. I wonder what this used to be. But there's some cross here. And you have some steps on the outside. I have no idea what this used to be, but something have to do with history.
This was a door.
Yes, we can see that. And there's no like monument written signs to say what it was, but the street art on it is, honey, I wonder what it used to be. I have no idea what it used to be. But the street art is beautiful. No, we're not going that way, Ty. We don't want B to come out on us. No. Oh, we can probably go in this one here. Ah. Wow. It's another room here with some art, street art. Big bro. Parle en anglais. It was a fire. He says before it was a fire. He's too funny. There are a lot of street art on this wall. People to be creative. I just love street art. Come, let's go. Oui, viens.
Look like it's in wood.
Bé. Okay, so this is just a way to go right around the building. Go back to Papa. Go. Look at this bridge, you guys. Wow. In the middle of nowhere. Too cute. We realize that we're seeing a stream running down, like a little river running down the entire way. Not much water is in. As babe say, you can see it doesn't rain much. It's pretty though, but you can see there's no more. Tyler, be careful. You can see there's not much water down there. You'd think you would have some water because winter is just ending.
No, look at the last time that it rained much. It just rained 2-3 times in 4 months. It looks like the harder is about to. Look at this. It's supposed to be the river. The river dry. Dry. Here's the way. Don't know if you can see, but my imagination telling me that the harder
is about to begin.
We
better enjoy what we just did in our memory, because right now I'm about to go up a hill. Okay, with this girl on my back and she's about to fall asleep, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. But ready? Yes. Go. Here we go. Up we go. Up we go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright. hill.
Look at this hill.
Papa, ça compte pas.
Okay. Look at this hill. I went here just to catch it. And the two late bug, they're here walking because they can't catch me.
Ça compte pas.
Okay.
Donc, count.
Look at her. Look at her. I'm struggling. I'm struggling. I don't know if the camera is showing the weight up, but it's not that easy. But at least the way is wild. The way is fine.
The hill is always the hardest for me, yeah? It's not easy to go up the hill. But when I'm on flat, I feel good. For the hill, rough, Jaja. But that means under here kind of cool with the trees like this. I like this kind of nature. I had to catch this shot. The rocks just beautiful up there. So pretty, no, babe? Oh, yeah. So good. Yes? If people live here, yeah, live. You guys, we made it to the red rocks that I showed you guys earlier when we were down.
Almost.
Look at that way. We can like touch it right here. Guys, hear how much we're breathing. Oh my gosh. Sarah wants to sleep. You want to sleep, princess? Look at mama. Say hello. Hello. Sarah is getting the best view and the best ride. That's all I know. Look at this old man. Old man. You tired? You resting? Okay. Oh man, pop dog. With him all stick. What? Who said anything about pop dog? I said pop down. Pop down. Say with the word. Say pop down.
Pop dog.
Pop down.
Pop down. Like donga yard. Say pop down.
Pop dog.
Dung.
Pop dog.
Not done. Dung. Dung.
Done.
Dung. Oh my God. Yes, pop down mean you're finished, you're tired, you can't go anymore. You pop down? Here you go, up the hill we go again. Alright, you guys, we're at a point of view. Seeing this beauty, so much peace. Look up, look at the top. I wonder if that's where our trail gonna take us. I think so, babe. You don't think so? No?
Maybe another one.
Okay. Sarah says volcano. Sarah, is volcano?
Maybe it is, I don't know.
It's not volcano, my princess. I'm hungry though. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat.
Let's go find somewhere to eat.
But I was seeing houses on the other side earlier when we stopped where the space is down. So we had to come through all these rocks in order to reach here. So we're gonna go back down. Yes. So we had to come through all these. Take our time. Yeah, that's where we're going. Yes, I think so.
There's nothing here.
It's the same thing you just saw. You're gonna go? Careful, do some more. Wait, Ty. Papa going to the other part.
Baby.
Baby fell.
No.
It's the same view.
Yeah, unless Vanilla is good.
Okay.
This one for you.
Inna the bush, we inna the bush. We are in the bushes. We're trying to find another view. You guys, look at this beauty that we found. Look at that. You can see the beach. I'm gonna zoom so you can see the beach properly. That's the beach right there. Isn't that beautiful? That is Cannes. That's a city. So beautiful. That's another trailway that you're seeing down there. So beautiful. So we're having lunch on top of the rock. Yeah. Continues after lunch with more beautiful view and more flag counting. Look at him, Batty. Wow. You guys, look at that. Look at all those hiking way. I don't know if you guys can see over there, right where the camera is right now. A lot of trailway over there. Just beautiful throughout. This boy won't stop talking. Look at him. He won't stop. He's not tired. Smart not tired either. Beach view. Can't really see it properly, but hopefully you guys can get a taste of this beauty right here. A bit cloudy over there, foggy, but still beautiful. We're making our way to go around back to the car. What it looks like? Not at all. We meet a lot of runners along this way. Quite a few runners.
The bag with the water in it. Good afternoon and good night. Yes, I am full of energy. It's the morning, it's a brand new day. We are going to have a blast. What is wrong with you? Bullshit. I'm sorry.
I was watching a game show just now called Bullshit on Netflix. If you want to watch it, it's hilarious. I recommend it.
So every time she's gonna say shit, I'm gonna look at her in the eyes and say bullshit. No, I'm joking.
It's too funny. You guys, we've been back. I made dinner. We showered. We relaxed a bit.
My foot hurts. I feel the tiredness.
So you don't think that's how all of us feeling?
No, I ask you how you feel. You say, I'm fine.
You guys believe him? Tell him if he's bullshitting or if he's telling the truth. That's the point of the game show. Now it's your turn to play. Tell baby if he's bullshitting or if he's telling the truth. Let's see who's
my foot. But it's
right.
A good how can I say? I like this feeling also. It's well, I don't
you
like
the feeling of how your foot
no,
feel?
I don't like it, but in the same time
you feel accomplished.
It's right. It feels mentally you say, okay, I work out well.
They say one workout today equivalent to the workout that you're supposed to do for the week.
Yeah, it's the type of workout that I used to feel that when I was training and when I used to have like a hard lactic workout, that's the feeling. So I know some people say that when they work out very good, like, oh, I'm gonna sleep like a baby. Me is the completely opposite. My legs feel so tired that it hurts, that avoiding me from sleeping very well. That's my story. Anything to say?
Anything to say? I had a good day. I love the hike. I love the little spots that we discovered along the way. It was beautiful.
I like to hear that. So we're gonna find a new one for the next time. I already have an idea. So
anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam. Tell us which part of today's vlog was your favorite along the hiking trail. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys with the rest of the Fam Bam tomorrow.